Hey folks, quick update on our freeze tonight. Possibly the coldest night of the winter, possibly the coldest since 2010, especially for Central and South Florida. I'm not going to focus so much on that, but it is interesting to see that the Weather Service has issued freeze warnings all the way down to the suburbs of Miami, including western and inland parts of Miami-Dade County and Monroe County, all the way down to just north of the Florida Keys. All right, bright sunny day outside. We're at 43 degrees here on campus at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I want to show you, yes, last night we did not forecast accurately the low temperature because the cold front, the Arctic front, was about 4 hours delayed. And because of that, we lost 4 hours of cold air advection. All right, we did not have strong cold air advection until right at sunrise. And then, of course, the sun came up, which prevented the further drop in temperature. The winds, ironically enough, though, sure made up the difference. And we had some wind chills this morning in the teens. You're looking at a model from this is for tonight. This is surface pressures for tonight, and the model was actually run on the 16th, so 4 days ago. And notice the wind direction here out of the northeast, okay, meaning the ridge of high pressure would have moved a little faster to the east, and we would have started to see us change in the wind direction overnight. So ironically enough, I think the later arrival of last night's front will give us a better chance for experiencing colder temperatures tonight, all right? Because notice the newest model runs, look at those wind barbs as we go to the most current run. They're more directly out of the north because the high pressure is a little closer to us. So I think that'll give us a better chance of radiation tonight. But however, there's some really interesting trends here in the model. This is as far as I can go on the high resolution as of this time, and we only got a 30 or 31 in Gainesville. This is the high resolution NAM. We only have a 30 at 7 a.m. The European is the coldest on the maps, on the grids here. 26, 27 in Alachua County, the GFS 28, 29. But here's the slam dunk. The data for tonight from the NAM, 17. That's the GFS, rather. These are the actual points at the Gainesville Regional Airport. 17 on the GFS, 18 on the NAM. All right? This is a challenging night to forecast the exact numbers. What I think is going to happen is that the numbers are going to vary greatly, and they're going to shift suddenly at times overnight when the winds go calm versus when there's a little bit of a breeze. You could be sheltered from the wind in some type of structure to the north of you. That's going to cause the air right there to be a lot colder. A little bit of change in elevation can make a big difference overnight. Bottom line, everyone in North Florida goes below freezing for at least 8 hours. Some locations below freezing for up to 12 hours. And some locations will be below 27 for up to 6 hours tonight. I think temperatures are going to range from the upper teens in the Suwannee River Valley to around 22 in Gainesville, which will tie our record. That's my projection as of right now. I collaborated with our student forecasters as well. We feel like that's a great number for tonight. And then maybe around 24, 25 in Ocala. Certainly some colder spots tonight, and it's possible that if the winds never relax out over the open fields around the Gainesville Regional Airport, the temperature will stay above 22. Certainly a cold night, certainly a freeze, but the exact numbers to be determined. Record's 22. We have not been below 20 since December 2010. Thanks for watching, and stay warm tonight.